Persian Shield is a native of Myanmar, where it grows in the rainforest. It is named after the English botanist William Turner Thistleton Dyer, who was the director of the Royal Botanic Gardens in Kew from 1885 to 1905. It was introduced to England in 1933 and later to the United States in the 1950s. Since then, it has become a popular houseplant and garden plant due to its attractive foliage. Persian Shield is a tropical perennial plant that can reach a height of up to 3 feet and a width of up to 2 feet. It is grown for its stunning purple foliage, which is ovate and elongated in shape and has a velvety texture. The leaves are covered in shimmering silver markings that make them look like they are glowing. When grown in full sun, the leaves of the Persian Shield may turn green. In late summer, the plant produces small, insignificant flowers that are not as showy as the foliage. Persian Shield thrives in tropical to subtropical climates and prefers moist, well-drained soil. It grows best in partial shade, but can also tolerate full sun as long as it's not too hot. It is relatively a low-maintenance plant and does not require much fertilizer, but regular watering is important to keep the soil moist. Persian Shield can be propagated from cuttings, but it is not easily grown from seed. Persian Shield can be planted with other tropical plants such as elephant ear and ferns. It also pairs well with bright annuals such as petunias, marigolds, and zinnias. Persian Shield is primarily grown for its ornamental foliage, which makes a stunning addition to any garden or indoor space. Its leaves can be used in floral arrangements or as a backdrop for other flowers. In some parts of the world, the leaves of the Persian Shield are used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments such as skin diseases, arthritis, and high blood pressure. However, it is important to note that the plant should not be consumed, as it can be toxic to humans and pets if ingested.